When people find out I'm an automotive journalist, their first question is almost always, well, what's your favorite car? And the answer is simple, the Bentley Continental convertible. And this new V8S model might be the best one yet. The Continental looks simply amazing, expensive and imposing, elegant, yet just slightly over the top. The blacked out grille, subtle ground effects, and hunkered stance just serve to emphasize its coiled menace. Second, when you open the door, your nasal passages are overwhelmed by the unmistakable essence of the superbly trimmed and stitched leather hides which cover almost every surface inside the Continental. Donated by 54 pampered cows, I exaggerate that last bit just a little, there's hardly a cockpit like it in our modern, mass-produced world. Also, there's room for 4 friends, and the trunk is useful for a weekend journey, unlike many convertibles with a folding metal roof. Third, the V8S might just be the sweet spot in the Conti lineup. Its 4 liters and 2 turbos generate 521 horsepower and 502 pound-feet of torque. While those numbers are less than the W12, the lighter engine takes over 100 pounds off the nose, so this Bentley turns in better and is more responsive in corners. And it'll still hit 0 to 60 in 4 seconds and the ton in under 10. Not to mention, it sounds the best. Roof in place, this convertible is functionally as quiet as the Continental hardtop. To get the most out of the mechanical symphony, drop that multi-layer top, which you can do at speeds up to 20 miles an hour. Fourth, the Bentley rides well over the war-torn roads of most metro areas. Yet, when you stiffen the shocks, it does a more than passable impression of a sports car. Fifth, all-wheel drive means you can use the Continental year-round. Not only did I enjoy a brief burst of spring-like weather in January, but I also took the V8S skiing, where it demolished 10,000-foot passes without breaking a sweat. Is the Bentley perfect? Of course not. It's too thirsty. It's too heavy. It weighs as much as a Tahoe. And its antiquated and slow infotainment system is well behind others. But in a world of 6-figure BMWs, Audis, and Mercedes-Benz, the V8S is something truly, truly special. And that's my 6th and final reason. From Keystone Resort, I'm Isaac Bouchard.